No. No, it isn't.
Stuck in night mode.
I just said to you there, it's not night mode.
It's not?
No, it isn't.
Why
It's a,
is it very quiet? Well,
don't know, don't ask me.
I think it's night mode.
No, they've always sounded like this. You heard us a lot.
What?
You've always heard these alarms and you heard us in night mode before, so you have. Back in 2021's November, God knows when that was, probably the 18th, I think it was. Came in for night mode, and especially that one over there for meeting Hussein, I did.
It's very quiet. Well, from a normal time. No, it wasn't night mode. It sounds like night mode to me.
Well, trust me, listen, the Ballerinas alarms are quieter, so they are.
Are they?
Yep, even though it's not night mode. Even though people say
How do you know it's not night mode?
because I heard this before, so I did.
Right.
And the alarms were different. Yeah, what's good? It's gone off so early, so it has 37. I just had to repeat that 3 times to him. Ballerina's alarms are much quieter than these as well.
Right.
Yep.
Why do you think they all should be like that?
Don't know, probably, I don't know. I'm sure you don't like to listen to screamers, probably.
No.
The screamers are the worst, like, because, especially when, if you know, cool rooms are just, like, extremely loud, so they are. Like, I'm sure, for an example, if this alarm here was loud, then it would obviously give me the jump scare, like, not gonna this. Ah! Obviously, cool rooms alarms, if you were in that, then obviously someone would it would just give someone a heart attack, like. Because that's like one of the rarest crossings ever in Northern Ireland, and it has night mode as well, but it doesn't usually go into 10 o'clock. Then along the Port Rush line there's another one just on up the road, called Artillery. I tried getting that night mode as well, but sadly I didn't. I did try and get Castle Rock in night mode as well. Oh, what a surprise in Enterprise. It's been a long time since I've seen Enterprises around here. Fire skirts are so broken over there. So much fun noise. Reason why that bit of skirt sticks out a wee bit still whenever it's up, because of that bit there, but I wouldn't actually like to touch it because it might break up more probably. But I feel like this probably, I feel like these crossing, I feel like this crossing could do for new buyers, to be honest. Like, oh, so the bars have been a mess for these past days, so they haven't even that is missing as well. Like, first that one there was busted with a broken skirt. Then that one over there with the double lights are was busted with a broken cord. Then that one right there was with a slow bar one time. And now this here is busted with a broken skirt. I feel like this must have been hit by a car maybe. Oh, I feel like meeting Hussein could do for a new bar as well. Well, new bars. Well, of course it was upgraded for like 10 years ago. Like, it used to be the same sort of type with white heads. Older at myself, so it did. Only it had pedestrian lights, the halogen ones. I don't know, but I feel like Kilmackie might get a LED pedestrian lights, I would say. Well, that one there could do for a new bar, like, because it has a loose. Well, they would also have to fix one of the bar lights on this side. Up to crossing the main husband because there's a loose wire line on it, so there is. These are at least this alarm here, it's in still in good condition. Right here, it's not faulty at all. You know, I thought it's home went high picture for a second, like. So, and I went like this. Oh, I thought it went faulty again. What is it faulty again? It turns out that it isn't. Oh, train's coming this way. Okay, it's an express one.
Banging it up, wasn't it?
Yep, oh, it's going up.